Hi, I'm Chinyere, trainer at Amda Analytics. Welcome to my YouTube channel. All right, so guys, today we'll be looking at how you can use filter and text join together in Microsoft Excel. We'll be learning how to do that together. Now, these are names of our students, and these are the courses they are offering in their department. All right, so what we are trying to achieve here, if we come here and say, okay, let's just use a name here. This is gift. Okay, we type gift name. We want to get all the courses that this person is offering. So we have econometrics, we have financial economics, gift here, we have demand, and we have supply. Okay, now if we type gift, we want to get all the courses that she is offering in the same row. Okay, want to get everything in the same row. I'll say equal to filter is asking for array, and which is this, right? Comma, the next argument include, and that's what include this. When you see gift, right? So where it's equal to is equal to gift here. So we're going to select gift here, close our bracket, hit enter. Now there is an error there, right? So in order to correct this, we are going to use text join. We are going to use text join together with the filter. So I'll come here, I'll come to this panel. I'll say text. Okay, text join, right? So text join is actually a function in Excel we use to concatenate words, right? So text join, the first argument here is asking us for delimiter. Now, these text that we want to join together, what is the delimiter that we want to use there? We just want to use space, right? Use space. So double quote, comma, space, double quote, comma, right? Now, that will take us to the next argument, and that's what? We are going to use ignore empty cells, right? Ignore empty cells. So I'll click on it, then double quote, that will take us to this. So we'll come here and what? Close our bracket. Now let's go there. So now this is gift. We can see econometrics, we can see financial economics, demand and supply. Okay, so let's type another person. Let's see if we are going to get the same word. Let's say Emmanuel, right? Emmanuel. You can see here, Emmanuel, we have physics methodology. So let's look at Emmanuel together. So Emmanuel, we have physics here. So we have this, and we have this. That's for Emmanuel, right? So guys, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to become an expert using Microsoft Excel, you want to become an expert knowing how to use all the tools that we make you ready, job ready, right? Register for our data analytics program at Amda Analytics, where we tutor you, where we hold your hand, or we mentor you from very basic to advanced level. We teach you Excel, how to use Microsoft Excel, how to use Power BI, SQL, even Python, how to use data analytics, ChatGPT for data analytics, and beyond this. Of course, there are a lot of benefits you're going to get when you register for our data analytics program. Do not forget, our next cohort starts on 11th of May 2024. Guys, see you there. Don't forget, it's just certification program. You're going to get satisfied for good 4 months. You'll be staying with Amda Analytics. Don't forget, join us. Cheers and bye.